Greenheck, building value in air.
Hi, and welcome to a technical detail on Greenheck's HVLS fans. Today I'm going to walk through doing a drive swap on our DC series of fans. To start with, we'll remove the beauty plates. Before beginning this step, please make sure that everything is powered off and locked out. At this point, I'd recommend capturing a picture of how all of your dip switches are set, as well as where wires are landed. We do have a cheat sheet that's on the inside of the drive cover if you need it later on. On the rear of the drive, we can use a 10mm socket to remove these bolts. While this is facing me, I'm going to loosen the low voltage wiring and the high voltage wiring. I've loosened our wiring here and here. Now I can disconnect the motor and the drive is ready to be moved. With my new drive, I'll adjust the dip switches so that they match the previous drive settings, and then reverse this order to complete my installation. Finally, I'll finish tightening the straps that secure the drive to the down tube. After verifying the tightness on all fasteners, my motor connections, and verifying that the hall cable is oriented correctly, we can replace our beauty plates. After fully tightening all fasteners, the fan is ready to be returned to service. If you have any questions or need more technical support, please feel free to reach out to our customer service team.